I'm so sick of these old ass niggas like Joe Buddens hating on these motherfucking young niggas cause we out here getting all this money like we getting. Sick of these lame, man. Y'all asked that nigga Joe Buddens, was he a motherfucking CEO when he was rapping? When he was at the best of the best of his career, ask that nigga was he the CEO of his fucking label. The fuck out of here. Lame man, nigga, man. Hey, shout out to my Cali boys, Jungle boys. We out here in motherfucking Kansas City smoking good, you dig? Wedding cake. Exclusive shit. Get this shit, man. Yeah. Whoa. Damn, I be swagging on them bitches, big blow. I be swagging on them bitches, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, KC, we out. Niggas sucking dick is at an all-time high right now. I'm sick of these niggas. I'm talking about I'm sick of niggas sucking dick and riding dick is at an all-time high right now. And flogging and lying. I'm sick of this shit. I'm talking about everybody used to talk about the strippers, about these bitches, about what they do, all they groupies and this and that. But these bitches having more money than these lame ass rappers. I'm sick of it. I'm talking about I don't want to hear another bar, another verse about no bricks, no bells or nothing. Y'all flogging, y'all lying. I don't want to hear that shit, man. Know what I mean? They like, hey, we woke up smoking that shit. Focus on another million. Big business, paper route business, bitch. Going down. Yo. We a 2020 motherfucking Tupac, nigga. 2020 Machiavelli around this motherfucker. What we doing today? Balances or what? God damn it. My jellos or what? God damn it. Got the blood. Got the folks. Got the Crips. What we doing today? How I feel? Kind of sauce, kind of swag. We dripping the fuck out that. I'm wearing J's. You did, dope boy. Then I don't want them. I need a bitch to sit it on her wobble, bite like stone. While I'm on tour, she keep my pick and keep the trap and roll it. My boy, you got me sliced to death, my boy. See my women, then you niggas shit get caught and won't say shit. Bitch in my rhythm, these lame man. Turn that shit up, man. Why you turn it down? See my women, then you niggas shit get caught and won't say shit. Bitch in my rhythm, these lame man. Turn that shit up, man. Why you turn it down? Man, look at this dumb ass nigga, man. Look at this asshole. Look at him. Look at this fat, white, bullshit, pig ass, lame ass, racist ass, bitch ass nigga right here, man. Look at his stomach. Blue hot sauce on the day on their ass. Yeah. See them motherfuckers right there? Blue hot sauce. Blueberry sauce. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? MasterCard kind of shit. Yeah. We run shit.